Well, it looks like someone just bought this brand new house. And we installed the air conditioning. That's quite a different fan. And they said we don't have any air. So, before I turn that on, I'm going to go downstairs. If I can find the stairs. And maybe it's right here. Yeah. And we will check our wiring first. Usually we leave these things disabled so we can start them up. Check out here first. Oh, I'm out here. Ooh, it's bright and sunny out here today. Got fuses in there. And it figures, you know, I gotta do this at 4 o'clock. Oh, there's no 2-wire. You didn't run the 2-wire. Somewhere. Oh boy. Well, that would be one reason why it doesn't work. No 2-wire. Oh boy. Well, let's see if they even open up these valves. Valves are open. That's stupid. Let's go downstairs and see what's going on down there. Well, I'm hoping the wire's just bunched up. Brand new house, already foundation's leaking. Oh, and do I have any lights? AC is on. Oh, and spray foam. Yeah, buddy. That's what I got to get through. Great. Well, maybe I can stick a long bit. Maybe I can stick a brazing rod through there. I don't know. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, up there. Let me see if I can get a brazing rod through there. Run some 2-wire. Alright, so got my brazing rod right there. See that? So I'm going to tie my 2-wire on there. Hopefully, pull it through. Hopefully. Let's see what happens. Well, I got it attached. See if I have success, which I doubt. It's probably just going to pull it off the rod. We'll see. See if I get lucky. Oh, there it is. Through the spray foam. Nice. Let me get this wired up. And then we'll start it. Crap, is it bright out there? Whew. Alright, so we got the wire, the 2-wire hooked up to the furnace, 2-wire hooked up to the AC. I checked my pressure out there. I got pressure. The actual thermostat wire wasn't even hooked up downstairs. It was just hooked up for heat. So we're gonna turn the cooling on. I got the disconnect pulled out there. And I got a filter. So I think I got the door off the furnace too. Oh no, I put the door back on the furnace. Holy crap, she's ripping. What? I got a 30. What is this? I mean, this is 16. Turn that fan speed down some. Gray is cool. Yellow. Oh, color blindness is kicking in. Blue and yellow, I'm going to swap. Where's cool? It's heat. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Heat. Cool. So my blue is there. Yellow is going to be there. I only got 2.5 tons of air. This 4-ton blower. 4-ton blower on this thing. So I'm gonna turn it down. I should do static pressure, but I can come back tomorrow and do that and set that up. Just move too much air across that coil, it's not going to dehumidify right. Even that sounds like a lot of air. parts in here. It should. Or it might be in the product data. So I'm going to guesstimate at 0.6 static. It's probably actually higher than that. It says 335. What I got? Blue on cooling. So I got 335 a ton. Just kind of guesstimating right now, just to get me home. So we're gonna have to go outside. Okay, this is done down here, so shut the lights off. And we'll go out, start this thing up, and we will let it run for 15 minutes. And let's see. There we go. I don't even know if I think I need about 10 degrees of subcooling. Let it run. Alright, we've been running, what, 20 minutes? Still super wet in that house. I require 14 degrees of subcooling, but man, that TXV is wide open, so I'm going to leave it there at 10. I got 10.7. I'm going to leave it right there. Highest I had was 12 so far subcooling, but once that TXV closes off a little, the subcooling will go up. Let me get this tidied up. Holy smokes, man, it gets hot out there. Yeah, these are just little new construction houses that we got one builder we work for. And he's super cheap, super cheap. But houses are selling. I mean, well, right now they are. They're starting to slow down because no one can afford a mortgage because the interest rates are so damn high. I don't know where these people are getting all this money because I ain't got none. So we let that thing run for 20 minutes. It was still a sweat box in that house. That house, 78, probably 60-70% humidity in that house. It's just unbearable. But we kind of don't. I mean, it's kind of run-of-the-mill stuff that I run into. Just due to the fact is we install the stuff, and we install the stuff in the winter or the spring, and we don't want them starting it up because, you know, we got to do a startup on it. We got to check pressures, you know, make sure it's wired right, so on. So that's what we did. Unfortunately, yeah, it was at the end of the day. Kind of sucks, and for some reason they didn't run the 2-wire. It's like every time you run a line set, you run 2-wire. It's common sense. Or 5-wire, you know. I mean, it depends on what you're installing. So that's it for this one. This was just a quick, easy startup. And, well, not quick and easy. I had to run a 2-wire. But it was easy enough. Check some pressures. Everything's good to go. Good subcooling, good superheat. Life's good. Alright, guys. You guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, hit me up on Facebook. And I will see you on the next one.